going to teach you how to medicate a dog. So first and foremost, have your medication. This is Chubb. We're going to give some Benadryl this morning. We're going to use a soft type of treat or canned food. Some people will use peanut butter as well. You're going to make sure that the medication is seated properly within the soft meaty treat. Come here, Chubb. Come here. So we're going to get Chubb to come up here so you guys can watch. With your dominant hand, you're going to hold your pill pocket with the medication between your thumb and your pointer finger. And then with your non-dominant hand, you're going to grasp their top jaw, pulling their nose up to the sky. Then you're going to use your middle finger to open their mouth and then put it as far back as you can get it. And that is how you would medicate a dog. I always recommend to give them a nice yummy treat that they like afterwards. That way they do not associate medication with a negative act. Thank you.